What happens if I file taxes late? Imagine this. The deadline for filing your taxes has come and gone, and you realize you have not submitted your return. You might be wondering what this means for you. Let's break down the consequences of filing your taxes late. First, if you miss the filing deadline, you may face a penalty. The Internal Revenue Service, commonly known as the IRS, typically imposes a failure to file penalty. This penalty is usually 5% of the unpaid taxes for each month your return is late, up to a maximum of 25%. In addition to the failure to file penalty, you may also incur a failure to pay penalty if you do not pay the taxes owed by the deadline. This penalty is generally 0.5% of the unpaid taxes for each month the payment is late, also up to a maximum of 25%. Interest will also accrue on any unpaid taxes. The interest rate is determined quarterly and is applied to the amount owed until it is paid in full. This means that the longer you wait to file and pay, the more you will owe. If you are due a refund, filing late may not affect you financially in the same way. However, it is important to note that if you wait too long, you might lose your right to claim that refund. The IRS has a 3-year statute of limitations for claiming refunds, so if you do not file within that time frame, you will forfeit your refund. In some cases, if you owe taxes and do not file, the IRS may file a substitute return on your behalf. This return may not include any deductions or credits you would have been eligible for, potentially resulting in a higher tax bill. Lastly, filing late can also impact your credit score indirectly. While the IRS does not report to credit bureaus, if your tax debt goes unpaid for an extended period, the IRS may eventually place a lien on your property, which can affect your credit. In conclusion, filing your taxes late can lead to penalties, interest, and potential loss of refunds. It is always best to file on time or request an extension if you need more time to prepare your return.